In this guide, I'll show you how to connect a PS5 controller to your PS5 without the USB-C cable that came with your console. Now, in order to do this, you will have to have at least one controller connected to your PS5. Now, what you want to do is navigate to the settings cogwheel in the top right corner, and then scroll down in settings and select accessories. Now, from general, scroll over and select Bluetooth accessories, and here you'll see a registered DualSense wireless controller. Now grab your controller that's not connected, and you want to press and hold the PlayStation button and the share button on your controller until the lights start flashing on the front of it, indicating it's in pairing mode. Now once it does this, grab your first controller that's already connected, and what you want to do is scroll down under Accessories Found and select DualSense Wireless Controller. Now when you do this, it'll ask if you want to register it, and you want to go to yes, and then it's going to prompt you to sign into a different PSN account on your PS5 with your second controller. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.